Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, Halloween is just around the corner, and I thought, what would be better than painting a witch flying through a graveyard on a full moon? And what's wonderful about this is that you really can just use one color, black, or a combination of different colors, or whatever color you want. And basically, what we're going to do is a little negative painting, painting around our tombstones, and we're going to change the amount of pressure on the brush. Now I'm going to put a link to the line drawing in the description below, but you can really make it up as you go if you'd like. So let's get started and have some fun. Once I have my line drawing on my watercolor paper, using my black color and my watercolor brush, I'm going to start with her hat. I want to press and lift and taper the edge. And for her face, all I really need to do is press and lift and just let the brush do the work for me. Add her sleeve, add her knee and fill that dress in. And for her feet, all I really need to do is press and lift. Now, I don't want to get stuck on her hands, so I'm going to keep it really simple and just add a little blob. And then extend the handle of the broom out and fill in the rest. Then for the graveyard, all I need to do is paint around the tombstones. I could even put a little bit of grass in. Then using the same color, or you could choose a different one if you like, and then I'll paint around the moon. And what would make this really spooky is if I go ahead and add a bat or two, just add a webbed wing, and you could make them different sizes. And they could be really simple. You can add as many bats as you like. And if you want, using your brush, you could even write some things on the tombstones, like RIP or whatever you can think of. Now you have a really spooky witch flying on her broom on a full moon through a graveyard. Now, I hope you enjoyed that really simple lesson. And until next time, have fun and happy painting.